Did Katy Perry just compare Kim Kardashian to a mummy? What's up guys, I'm John Basedow, and this is Buzz 60. It's clear Katy Perry enjoys a good Egyptian theme, as evidenced by her Dark Horse video, but dancing around with big-bootied mummies on her Prism tour got the Roar singer slammed with racist claims, because nobody steps on the civil rights of mummies and gets away with it. Katy defends her bandaged buddies in the August issue of Rolling Stone, saying look at Kim Kardashian and Ice-T's wife Coco. Those girls aren't African American, adding the mummies are a representation of our culture wanting to be plastic. Now you know that's a fighting word for Kim K, who denies butt implants, fat injections, and any other type of posterior plastic surgery. The reality star hasn't replied to Katy's comments, but a few months ago she took to Twitter to fire back at media mags, claiming her ample assets were less than God-given, tweeting, "Get a life." Ooh, Miss Kim, you may want to rethink your options when dealing with Katy, because with over 54 million followers, this is one lady even you don't want to engage in a Twitter war. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.